Introducing Ladder Pals. Ladder Pals were invented to make ladders just a little safer for people and walls. John Siebold, a journeyman painter with 25 years in the business, owns JLS Painting. They paint both homes and businesses, interiors and exteriors. Through trial and error, John has come up with a new product designed to protect workers and their work area from ladder damage during work or transport. This product protects any interior or exterior surface, including gutters, doors, windows, shutters, sills, canopies, walls, and vehicles without ladder rails. Ladder Pal designs are patent pending and will fit any standard aluminum or fiberglass extension ladder. This system promotes workplace safety by ensuring the OSHA recommended 75.5-degree angle when leaning a ladder against the wall. This angle protects the climber from setting up the ladder with an angle that is too steep or too shallow. The pads, which are formed permanently at 75.5 degrees, are made from a padded, textured surface to discourage slipping. The frame is held on the rungs with adjustable locking pins to hold securely in place. Fitted rung slots utilize the ladder structure itself for stability. It essentially becomes part of the ladder. The adjustable frame and padding system cushion structures from contact damage. Place the Ladder Pal on the rungs of the ladder right where you need it. For example, if you need to access the roof, you can ensure OSHA recommended 3 feet extension above the roof line. Ladder Pals are for any type of construction, repair work or finish work, which requires extension ladders or step ladders. Preserve your profit margins by preventing workplace accidents and trade damage. Protect the client's house walls, windows, gutters, and more. Ladder Pals are patent pending, and manufacturing is starting soon.